Pinky wakes up early, full of energy. Despite living in poverty, her smile never fades, as if nothing can bring her down.
Hi-ya!
Poor girl. As usual, Pinky starts her day by working on her bag-making job. But today, an old television catches her eye, sparking a strong curiosity inside her. She immediately wants to explore the exciting programs being shown on it. When Pinky turns on the TV, she sees a cartoon about a small family flying to Hawaii. Mesmerized by the beautiful scenes, she can't look away.
So beautiful!
In her mind, Pinky begins to imagine what it would be like if she could actually visit Hawaii. Would she get to relax by the beach, enjoying the waves?
I must go to Hawaii then!
With determination, Pinky immediately sets off on her journey to the Hawaii of her dreams. Arriving at the airport, Pinky is amazed by everything, from the flight board to the check-in gate.
Where to go? Give me a ticket to Hawaii!
But when she sees the expensive ticket prices, Pinky is stunned. With only a small amount of money in her hand, will she be able to afford the flight to Hawaii? Facing the few coins she has, the ticket clerk shows no emotion, but hands Pinky a cheap plane ticket. This is still a big step towards her Hawaii dream, even though many challenges lie ahead. First class! Just as Pinky is about to celebrate, a blinding light suddenly shines into her eyes. Both she and the clerk turn towards the door, where a red carpet is rolled out inside the airport. Could someone important be arriving? Rich girl!
Wow!
The one entering is Sunny, the richest girl in town. Despite her wealth, she's arrogant, believing money can get her anything.
Wow! Give me a ticket!
Whoa! Poor class.
You're too poor to afford a plane ticket! Huh?
Pinky, frustrated by Sunny's taunts, holds back her anger, hoping to avoid her next time.
Please proceed.
Pinky thinks she can finally board the plane in peace. But she's stopped at the gate because of her bag, which is filled with empty plastic bottles, plastic bags, and even a bicycle. Who brings this kind of stuff on a plane? After a tough inspection, Pinky finally boards the plane, unaware that more trouble awaits her. Once inside, Pinky can't stop marveling at everything around her. It all seems like a tiny modern world in itself.
Where are you going? Huh? Your seat is over there. What?
With her cheap ticket, Pinky doesn't get to sit in a luxurious seat. Whether she likes it or not, she has to sit in her assigned seat. While Pinky is ignored by the flight attendants, Sunny is treated like a princess, with everything catered to her.
What? Ouch! Welcome aboard BONA Flight 123, everyone! This flight departs from California to Hawaii. Wishing you a joyful and happy journey. Ouch! It hurts!
As time passes, Pinky grows hungry. Suddenly, a sweet smell fills the air. Could it be food for her?
Wow!
But how could these delicious dishes be for Pinky when she doesn't even have enough money? The food is only served to Sunny, the spoiled rich girl.
Yeah!
In a flash, Sunny starts devouring the food as if she hadn't eaten in days. But then, she realizes someone is watching her. Unlike Sunny, Pinky only has a rotten banana to nibble on. Feeling her pride being crushed,
Hey! Do you want to eat? Yes! Come here!
seeing Pinky with no delicious food, Sunny quickly plans to tease her again.
Huh? Ouch! You are too much! Too much, huh?
After mocking Pinky, Sunny feels no guilt at all. Pinky, exhausted, can't argue anymore. Both girls fall asleep, unaware of the trouble that's about to hit them. While everyone is asleep, suddenly, a fellow passenger wakes up. His eyes dart around before stopping at Sunny and her sleeping bodyguard. What is he planning? Hearing Sunny scream, Pinky wakes up. Seeing her friend being tied up, all her previous anger fades away. She has to do something to save Sunny.
Huh? Let her go now!
Want a beating? Yeah!
Huh? Yeah!
Yeah! Huh?
Yeah! Hey!
Ouch!
Yeah!
Yeah! Yeah! Hey! Yeah!
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 The battle with the thief is intense. Although Pinky strikes first, she's no match for him, so she has to come up with another plan to win.
Take this!
Ouch!
Yeah!
Ah!
It's yours, right? Are you okay? Thank you. I'm fine. But I'm sorry for bullying you. It's okay, as long as everyone is safe.
Finally, Pinky becomes friends with Sunny, marking the start of a fun
Thief!
new
Where's the
adventure.
thief? Huh?